Letters making the sound J in French. La lettre J, for example, jour, jeudi, janvier, toujours. La lettre G followed by the vowels I, E and Y. For example, une girafe, le genou, la gymnastique. When la syllabe je is followed by the vowels A, O and U, it is pronounced J. For example, un pigeon, un nageur, exigeant.